Okay, so in this session, we will understand some properties related to hyperbola. Okay, so let's deal with the first property first. Look at this. Suppose that we have this wings. This is the hyperbola. Okay, now the point is what we will do. I will take a point on it. Suppose we have taken a point to which we have dropped down tangent. So this is the tangent. On the same point, I will drop a normal. Okay, so this is the normal. Now what I want you to do is just connect the foci. Suppose this is the foci. So connect the foci with this point. So look at this. This is the first thing and this is the next thing. So the idea is this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, means in words I can say that tangents and normal at any point. Okay, tangents and normal at any point on hyperbola. Okay, tangents and normal at any point on the hyperbola bisects the angle between focal radii. Okay, so I hope this first property is clear. Now let's move on to the next property, that is reflection. Okay, reflection property. So the idea is, suppose that we have a hyperbola. Okay, so look at this hyperbola. Suppose this is the foci. This is the foci. So suppose that a ray of light is coming and it is striking the surface. Okay, so this is your incident ray. So after striking, it will pass through the foci, and for this thing it will appear that it is passing through the foci. Okay, so this is the first idea. Or suppose that from inside, so this is if the ray of light is passing through outside, this is happening. Suppose that ray of light is passing through inside part. So look at this is your incident ray. Okay, so after reflection it will appear that it is passing through the next foci. Is it okay? I hope this reflection property is clear. Okay, now next one. So suppose that this point is important. Look at this. Suppose that we have an hyperbola. Okay, so we have a hyperbola. Look at this. So look at this situation. So we got hyperbola. Now the idea is we have some directrix. Correct? These are the two directrix, and we will have what? We will have a tangent at any point. Suppose this is the tangent. Okay, so the amount of angle it will cast on the foci by this part, okay, is 90 degree. Okay, so this is the angle, this is the next property. Now look at this next part. So the idea is, suppose this is the hyperbola wings. Okay, let's connect. So we got our hyperbola, and we will have some, I am talking about auxiliary circle. Okay, so what is that auxiliary circle? A circle which will pass through the vertex. Okay, now the point is, we have to drop tangent. We have to drop tangent on any point. Suppose this is the point. Okay, suppose this is the tangent, and this is the foci, this is the foci. So from foci, if you will drop foot of perpendicular on the tangent, from foci, if you will drop foot of perpendicular on any tangent, the locus of the point will be auxiliary circle. Okay, so the point is locus, wait, so the point is the locus of foot of perpendicular on any tangent will be the collection of points on the auxiliary circle. Okay, so this is the next property. Now suppose that we have this hyperbola. Suppose now the idea is, okay, let's drop any tangent. So drop any tangent. Okay, now this tangent somewhere, it will touch tangent at vertex. Okay, I'll manage, wait for time being. So suppose that these are the two tangents at vertex. So we got our tangent at vertex. Now the point is, this is intersecting at this point, this is intersecting at this point. Okay, now you will have a foci, this S. Okay, this is S dash, this is S, suppose it is P, suppose it is Q. Okay, so the point is, if you will try to draw a circle passing through these 4 points, we will have a circle. Okay, we will have a circle passing through these 4 points whose diameter will be PQ. Okay, so you have to take random point on the curve to which you will drop tangent. Now you will draw tangent to vertex, tangent at vertex. Now your tangent will touch tangent at vertex twice. Now if you will draw a circle passing through these 4 points, you will have a circle, you will have only one circle. Okay, so these 4 points P, S, Q, S dash is concyclic. Okay, whose diameter will be PQ. Okay, I hope these properties are clear.